Hi everybody and welcome. Today I do have SONY ULT FIELD 3 and I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable standby mode. Here, as you can see, the second option you can see here is Bluetooth standby. Let's click on that. Here we have the auto standby and we can disable auto standby and enable auto standby. If the audio device is not in use for approximately 15 minutes, the device turns off automatically. Turning this function off will increase power consumption. Here, as you can see, we have the Bluetooth standby, and we can enable that. And here we have the when enabled, the speaker will automatically turn on and Bluetooth connection will start as you operate a Bluetooth device. Let's click OK, and we can enable Bluetooth standby and disable Bluetooth standby, and here auto standby. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye!